Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining how to make a Facebook account. So let's start the process. Open your Facebook app. So these are my previous account which I used on Facebook, but we are trying to make a new account. So that's why I'm tapping on the option, create a new account. And from here, tap on the option, get started. And simply write here, your first name, and here, your last name. After writing the name, tap on the option next. And from here, select your date of birth. After setting up date of birth, tap on the option next. Now select your gender, male or female. After selecting, tap on the option next. And here, write your mobile phone number, write the mobile phone number which you always use. You can also sign up with your email address. It's up to you. So after adding your mobile phone number, tap on the option next. And here's the option. Create a password. Always choose a unique password. After creating a strong password, tap on the option next. Save your login info. It's up to you. If you want to save, then you don't need to write the password again and again. But if you don't want, then it's up to you. But for me, I will tap on the option save. And tap on the option. I agree. Do you already have an account on Facebook like we don't have? So that's why I'm tapping on second number. So here are the options. Send code by WhatsApp or send code by SMS. It's up to you. What will you choose? But I will prefer always get a verification code by WhatsApp. So that's why I select WhatsApp. And after selecting, tap on the option send code. And now Facebook will send a verification code. So after writing the confirmation code, here is option add a profile picture. Let's add a profile picture by tapping on this add picture. And from here, if you want to take a photo, then take a photo. But I will choose my picture from my gallery. So that's why I'm tapping on the option, choose from gallery. So as you see, I uploaded my picture for my Facebook profile. After uploading, tap on the option done. So now our Facebook profile has been created successfully. So it was a simple way by which you can create a Facebook profile by yourself. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.